The Spirit of God says, daughter, 2026 will be the year I seal you, elevate you, vindicate you, align you. Every delay breaks, every cycle ends, every blessing that was held up is released. You are entering the year of sealing. God is marking you for protection, for inheritance, for divine positioning, for destiny fulfillment. Nothing the enemy tries will cross the seal God places on your life next year. The fire of God will transform you. Everything in your life that was draining, that was unstable, that was inconsistent, connected to old trauma, tied to old versions of you, it will burn away quickly, sometimes overnight. You will not end 2026 as the same woman you entered it as. Your voice becomes powerful. Your words will suddenly manifest fast, open doors, close doors, create opportunities, activate angels, bring money, shift people out, call soulmates in. Your voice becomes a super spiritual key. Divine alignment is guaranteed. This is the year where you meet the right people, step into your calling, receive confirmation, walk into rooms meant for you, connect to destiny helpers, and move into real timeline. 2026 is the year of finally. The angelic forces surround you. The angel of closure removes counterfeits, karmic cycles, old soul ties, and anyone who is pretending. The angel of alignment is here, bringing divine connections, divine opportunities, divine elevation, and divine placement. The angel of manifestation activates your spoken words. 2026 is the year of divine connection, soulmate alignment, clarity in relationships, restoration of femininity and safety, healing from past wounds. Your love life comes into order. Someone aligned with your purpose enters. You enter new streams of money, unexpected favor, restoration of stolen opportunities, faster manifestation, contracts or deals, a major increase in income in 2026. This is the year God redeems your lost years financially. Your prophetic identity is activated deeply. New gifts, new authority, stronger intuition, discernment, clear dreams and visions, spiritual boldness, walking fully in your assignment. This is your launch year. Your soul steps out of hiding. Your voice becomes louder. Your teaching becomes stronger. Your breakthrough becomes more public. People are drawn to your energy, more spiritual influence. You become a light bearer by the authority of Yah. I seal your destiny in God's timing. The fire of heaven transforms you. Your voice manifests blessings. Your voice manifests blessings. Heaven and earth align for you. You walk in divine protection, divine favor, and divine timing. Everything meant for you comes to you, and nothing can stop your ordained path. The year of 2026 will shift you from survival to rootedness, wounded feminine to divine feminine, delay to acceleration, wandering to knowing, waiting to receiving, isolation to elevation, training to assignment, hiding to visibility. This is your crossover year. And it shall be so.